Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience . In this video, we're exploring TiGo El Salvador's eSIM activation process, guided by their official website, tigo.com.sv/eSIM. While this specific example focuses on TiGo El Salvador, the general principles often apply to other carriers. So, even if you're not a TiGo El Salvador customer, this walkthrough might still offer valuable insights into eSIM setup. Navigating to tigo.com.sv/eSIM will likely present you with information regarding eSIM compatibility, eligible devices, and the steps required for activation. You can expect details on how to initiate the eSIM transfer from a physical SIM or how to activate a new eSIM plan. The website should outline the process, which usually involves scanning a QR code provided by TiGo or manually entering an activation code. It's important to remember that eSIM technology is constantly evolving, and carrier procedures can change. Therefore, always refer to the most up-to-date information on the carrier's website for the most accurate instructions. Visiting tigo.com.sv/eSIM directly ensures you're accessing the latest details on their eSIM activation process. Typically, the TiGo website will walk you through steps such as verifying device compatibility, selecting an eSIM plan, and confirming the eSIM activation. They might also offer troubleshooting tips in case you encounter any issues during the setup. Look for FAQs or customer support contact information on the website if you need further assistance. Remember that the specific details and visual presentation on tigo.com.sv/eSIM might differ slightly from this explanation. However, the fundamental concepts of eSIM activation, like scanning a QR code or entering an activation code, generally remain consistent across various carriers. So, exploring the information on their site will provide you with the precise steps needed to activate your TiGo El Salvador eSIM.